Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Discord, webcam not working on PC. Many users open video calls but the camera doesn't show. And it usually happens due to device settings, permissions, or app conflicts. First, check your webcam connection. Make sure it's plugged in and detected by Windows. Unplug and reconnect if needed. Step 1, select the correct camera in Discord. Go to User Settings greater than Voice and Video greater than Camera and choose your webcam. Wrong device won't display video. Step 2, restart Discord. Close it completely from the system tray and reopen. Temporary glitches often fix camera issues. Step 3, run Discord as administrator. Admin mode ensures access to hardware. Right-click Discord and select Run as Administrator. Step 4, check Windows Privacy Settings. Go to Settings greater than Privacy greater than Camera and allow Discord access. Blocked permissions prevent video. Step 5, disable conflicting apps. Apps like Zoom or Skype may occupy the webcam. Close them and test Discord again. Step 6, update webcam drivers. Outdated drivers can break functionality. Update from your manufacturer's site. Step 7, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache may cause webcam failure. Delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache from %appdata%/Discord. Finally, test Discord web version. If the webcam works there, reinstalling the desktop app may fix stubborn issues. This usually resolves the problem. So yeah, fixing Discord webcam issues is about checking device, selecting the correct camera, restarting admin mode, privacy settings, closing conflicting apps, updating drivers, clearing cache, and testing the web version. Follow these steps and your webcam should work normally. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.